Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some problem posted on Facebook. So let's start. Here's the question. Following the arrow given in the diagram, how many different routes are there from A to B? Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. Here's the given. From A to B, one route can be like this, and it can be this one. There are many ways to go from A to B, and our goal is to find the total number of different routes from A to B. To do that, we need to name some important points. Like this one, we call it A sub 1, this is A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5, A sub 6, A sub 7, and the last one is A sub 8. Now, from A to A sub 1, as you can see, there are only one way to go from A to A sub 1, and this is just this route. Okay? Now, how about A sub 2? How many different routes from A to A sub 2? There are two different routes. Here's the first one, from A directly to A sub 2. The other route must be from A to A sub 1 and then go to A sub 2. So to go to A sub 2, we have two different routes. Now, how about A sub 3? In A sub 3, from A to A sub 3, we have three different routes. So the first route must be from A coming to A sub 2, then A sub 3. The second route is from A to A sub 1 to A sub 2 and then A sub 3. And the third one is from A going to A sub 1 and to A sub 3. So there are three different routes from A to A sub 3. Now notice, to go to A sub 3, we need to go first to A sub 1 and then A sub 2. So in short, the total number of ways to go to A sub 3 is the sum of A sub 1 and A sub 2, which is equal to 1 plus 2, because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now, how about A sub 4? How many different routes from A to A sub 4? This is the sum of A sub 3 and A sub 2, which is equal to 5. So we have A sub 2 plus A sub 3. We have 2 plus 3. Now, how about A sub 5? How many different routes are there to go to A sub 5? Notice that there's no other way to go to A sub 5 unless you go to A sub 3. Therefore, to go to A sub 5, there are also three different routes to go to A sub 5. This is the same thing as A sub 3. Okay? Now, here's the critical part. In how many different routes from A to A sub 6? To go to A sub 6, we need to go first to A sub 3, A sub 4, and A sub 5. Therefore, the total number of ways from A to A sub 6 is the sum of A sub 3, A sub 4, and A sub 5, which is 3 plus 5 plus 3, or simply 11 different routes. Now, we keep going. How many different routes? From A to A sub 7, it is the sum of A sub 5 and A sub 6, which is 3 plus 11, or simply 14 different routes. Now, how about A sub 8? It is just the sum of A sub 6 and A sub 7. So 11 plus 14 will give us 25. Finally, to find the total number of routes from A to B is simply the sum of A sub 7 and A sub 8, which is 14 plus 25 and will give us 39. Therefore, the total number of different routes from A to B is equal to 39 routes. And we're done.